So can you just go in future and find out what is going to happen in this video? Because the viewers have clicked this button. Let me see. Wait. What did you see? It's impossible. The part 2 of this video will have Thanos but without his powers. By clicking that button, you all have brought back Thanos. Now he can't harm anyone because he don't have powers and also no body. He is living inside this video, trying to regain his powers. As you all know how Voldemort had once. So now it's the time to fight and kill Thanos before he regains powers, because this time after regaining his powers Thanos will be even more stronger. So now how can we defeat Thanos? This time only. Sorry, but you all cannot do this. This time only you and the one who is watching this video can save this world. Everything is in your hands, Unique. I can't stay here longer, I have to go, bye. I know what he meant. Guys, there is a way to defeat Thanos. 1 like equals 1% defeat of Thanos. Yes, the pinned comment will show the life of Thanos, and I will update it whenever this video gets a like. So now you are the only one who can save this world. Comment below, done, if you had clicked that like button, and I will understand who all are the real Avengers.